After eons of searching, Vishnu returned humbly, acknowledging his inability to measure the pillar's vastness. Brahma, however, falsely claimed to have reached the top and presented a Ketaki flower as evidence. This deception angered Lord Shiva, who cursed Brahma, decreeing that he would never be worshipped in temples. The Ketaki flower was also cursed never to be used in Shiva's worship. Vishnu's humility, on the other hand, pleased Shiva, who declared him worthy of devotion. The Jyotirlinga then split into 12 radiant manifestations across different sacred locations in India, each symbolizing Shiva's divine and infinite energy. Each Jyotirlinga represents a distinct aspect of Lord Shiva's presence and grace. The 12 revered shrines are 1. Somnath in Gujarat, the first and most significant Jyotirlinga. It has withstood multiple invasions and destruction, symbolizing resilience and devotion. 2. Mallikarjuna in Andhra Pradesh, known as the Kailash of the South. This temple signifies Shiva and Shakti's combined divine presence. 3. Mahakaleshwar in Madhya Pradesh, located in Ujjain. This Jyotirlinga is believed to be self-manifested and controls time itself. 4. Omkareshwar in Madhya Pradesh, situated on an island shaped like the sacred Om. This Jyotirlinga embodies the essence of the cosmic sound. 5. Kedarnath in Uttarakhand, nestled in the Himalayas. This shrine is associated with the Pandavas from the Mahabharata. 6. Bhimashankar in Maharashtra, linked to Lord Shiva's victory over the demon Tripurasura. This temple is a beacon of divine triumph. 7. Kashi Vishwanath in Uttar Pradesh, located in the holy city of Varanasi. It is considered the spiritual capital of India. 8. Trimbakeshwar in Maharashtra. This Jyotirlinga is associated with the sacred Godavari river and the legend of Gautama Rishi. 9. Vaidyanath in Jharkhand or Bihar, known as the healer. This shrine is believed to grant health and well-being. 10. Nageshwar in Gujarat, symbolizing protection. This temple is associated with Shiva's defeat of a demon to save his devotee. 11. Rameshwar in Tamil Nadu, associated with Lord Rama. This Jyotirlinga represents devotion and penance. 12. Krishneshwar in Maharashtra, the smallest Jyotirlinga, yet immensely powerful. It signifies unwavering faith and devotion.